Well, good morning, class. Do you notice anything new about our calendar? It's a new month. After April comes May. Today is Friday, May 1st, 2020. We will be doing a new pattern this month. We'll be doing a blue, yellow, yellow, green, an A, B, B, C pattern. In today's math lesson, we're going to talk about dominoes. Have you ever played with dominoes? Dominoes are rectangular in shape. Maybe you built a tower with dominoes. You have to be very careful. If not, they'll fall down. Or maybe you set the dominoes up on purpose to knock down. That's fun. You will notice that there are two squares on each domino. On the left side there are dots. On the right side there are dots. If the domino has the same amount of dots on each side, it is called a double. Mr. Zebra and Mr. Lion are going to help me show you how to play a game of dominoes. Each animal will draw 5 dominoes. They will each turn over their dominoes so that the dots are showing. Mr. Zebra wants to help Mr. Lion. They're going to look at their dominoes and see who has the biggest double. Zebra has these dominoes. You will see that Zebra has a double 4. Lion has these dominoes. Lion has a double 3. Since Mr. Zebra has the largest double, he has a double 4, he's going to play his domino first. Now Mr. Lion has to look at his dominoes and match one end of his dominoes to one end of Zebra's. Since Zebra's domino is double 4, Lion must play a 4. Here he has a 4, so he's going to match that up. Can you see how Lion matched his 4 to the end of Zebra's domino? Now Zebra needs a 4 or a 2 to match the domino train. Zebra has a domino with a 2 on the end and a domino with a 4 on the end. So he can choose either one of those to play. Zebra is going to play his domino with the 2. Lion's going to help him out. Now Lion needs to either play a domino with a 5 or a 4. Lion's going to play this domino with a 5 on this end. Both ends of the train now have a 4. So Zebra will play this domino to match the end of the train. Lion needs either a 6 or a 4. See the train? Now look at Lion's dominoes. Does he have a 6 or a 4? He does not. So Lion needs to draw from the pile of extra dominoes until he can get a 6 or a 4. He got a 6, so he can play that domino. Good job, Mr. Lion. Now, zebra needs a blank or a 4. The blank has no dots in the square. Zebra does not have a blank or a 4, so he will draw from the extra dominoes. He found one with a 4. Lion needs a blank or a 1. He's going to play his 1 since he knows zebra does not have a blank. But zebra does have a 5 to go on this end. Lion is going to play his 3 to match the 3 on this end. Zebra does not have a 3 or a blank, so he will need to draw. And he got a 3. Lion has a blank. He will put his domino there. Lion does not have any more dominoes, so Lion won the game. High five, guys! Okay, now you will play with your dominoes. Mrs. Seal gave you some paper dominoes in your packet this week. Yours won't stack up and fall over, but you can play the game of dominoes. Remember, each player draws 5 dominoes. You turn those dominoes over so the dots are showing. The person with the largest double goes first, and then you just match the numbers to the ends of the dominoes, making the train longer and longer until someone does not have any more dominoes. If you don't have a domino that matches the end, then you will need to draw from the pile until you find a domino that goes. Zebra and Lion were lucky because they only had to draw 1 each time. But it might be that you will need to draw 2, 3, maybe more until you find a domino that matches, and you have to keep all the ones that you turned over until you found a match. Well, I hope you have fun learning about dominoes, matching numbers, and just enjoy doing math today. Goodbye.